Okay, so we'll search here for the Frida universal script. Now here in the codeshare.frida.re, we will navigate here and you'll see that the script is available. Now you have to copy paste this entire code and paste it in the notepad. Okay, so coming to notepad, yeah. So what I'll do is I'll just copy paste my entire code and then we'll save it as a script file that will be like frida.js file. Okay, I'll give it all types and frida.js. Yeah. Now what we will do is we'll push this, since this is in my local machine again, so I'll push it, let me push it to my standard virtual device. Okay, so let me come out of my VirtualBox Android device. So you have to make sure, yeah, before moving or pushing it to the Android virtual device, you have to make sure a particular thing called, this is the script file. So I'll open it. Okay, edit with notepad. Now what is happening here is, in the script this particular script file, you'll have this called certificate. Okay, this particular certificate in this particular format called certder.crt. Okay, as you can see here, it is under the data local temp. So you have to move your certificate in the same naming format. So I'll just make sure I do have the same thing pushed. Cd data local temp. Data local temp. So as you can see here, I have already named my certificate to cert-der.crt. The same naming convention as per the script file. Now the thing is, since I can push the file now, so these changes are done. So make sure you are pushing your certificate in this particular name. After pushing the certificate under this particular directory, data local temp, you rename it to ertder.crt format. Now this certificate is the one which we have exported it, right? Which we have exported from the called Browsuit exported certificate, and then we are pushing it. Now next thing here is we'll push the file. So this particular file will push to our standard virtual device. Coming back here to our files, cmd db push frida.js to data local tmp. Okay, so this is now pushed. So let's check adb shell, then cd data local temp folder, then ls. So we have our Frida server and Frida script file. Okay, now let me, yeah, so we have this particular file frida.js and frida.server. So if you want, you can run your server from here. So I'll just uh, run the Frida server, since we have already given this 777 permission. So now the Frida server is running. Again, next thing is I will run the script frida.js script. Okay, To invoke this particular Frida script, I'll come back to my Kali machine. So in my Kali machine, what I'll do is I'll make sure I am going to the terminal. I'll do the same adb shell. Let me check if my device is list of devices attached, so it is not connected. So I'll just connect my device to the Android virtual device. Now we have successfully communicated to our machine through this IP address IP 192.168.0.103. Since I was trying to communicate with the host address, so it was not communicating. So anyways, the IP address is successfully communicated. Now next thing is we'll have to go to the adb shell cd data local directory, and since we have this frida.js script, what we will do is we will have to run a script. Okay, so we will run the frida script. The script okay, frida hyphen u, then hyphen f, then this will be the package name. Okay, we are trying to communicate our we will give the package com.duolingo. This is the package name. We want to bypass the script for this particular application frida.js hyphen no pause. Yeah, so after passing this particular frida invoking this frida script from the frida command, frida hyphen u is like from which machine you are running, and hyphen f is to define the package, like which package you are invoking, and hyphen l is calling the script. So here what happened is, after giving this particular command, you see now this com.duolingo is spawned, and then you can see this application has opened on its own. And then if you type I already have an account, so I'm going to the mail, type anything, and if you do sign in, yeah, you would see wrong username and password. So this error message was not appearing earlier, wherein we could able to see there was some trouble connecting that kind of error messages, but not this one. So now if you come here and see the traffic in the verb suite, you would see this Duolingo is started captured. This traffic is getting captured now, right? So successfully now we are able to bypass the SSL, and successfully we can capture the traffic from the application.